back again or whatever. Let me put my glasses on so I can see. Now she can see. So as you can see by the title, we are doing a JUVIA'S Place haul and a tutorial as well. I purchased this stuff December 1st and I literally got it yesterday, and today is, my phone. Today is January 3rd. So not too happy about that at all. Yeah, I don't know what happened. It just got lost in translation. Because girl, Jesus Christ in heaven, I don't know what happened. JUVIA'S Place didn't know what happened. The post office didn't know what happened. Nobody know what happened. But it just happened to show up one day. Out of the blue, I didn't get a notification. I didn't get an email, a carry pigeon, a smoke signal, a message in a bottle that said your package is on its way. Nothing. It just, boop, there it is. Thanks. Start with the highlighter. So that's what she looks like. This is my first time trying a loose highlighter from JUVIA'S Place, or at all, actually. This is my first time trying a loose highlighter. Oh wow. Yeah, I'm going to try to go through this quickly because I ramble a lot and go off on tangents and excursions and all of the above. This is what she looks like. I would definitely be using this in the video, so you know what it looks like on the skin. And she is called Nefertiti, or yeah, Nefertiti. We'll go with Nefertiti. So that's what she looks like. A really pretty gold highlighter. On to the Empress Lip Collection by JUVIA'S. This is the duo you get in matte and a metal liquid lipstick. This is in the color Candace. There she is. Oh, upside down. Oh, I know the gold is kind of messing up the color, but I'm gonna give you guys a close-up of what they look like. So I am not the biggest fan of metallic liquid lipsticks. I plan on giving this to somebody who wants it. I really like this color from the swatches when they first came out with this color. It's absolutely so pretty. Oh, that was satisfying. So yeah, this is what she looks like. A really pretty nude. I'm a sucker for a brown lipstick, a nude brown lipstick. I have way too many of them. Need to stop buying them. We all have flaws. And then moving on to Miss Fumi. I absolutely love Fumi. I love her channel. Her son Adrian is adorable. Oh my goodness. But yes, congratulations on this collab. Okay, here we go. That was an interesting sound. Excuse me. But yes, congratulations on this collection. It's gorgeous, and I know I'm probably the last one on earth to get this collection, but I like to pace myself when it comes to makeup and new collections and yada yada yada. So that is the top. It's like a playing card. I think that's really cute. And then here are the eyeshadows. This is my first time opening all of this because I wanted my first, ooh. Oh wow. I really wanted my first impression to be on film. This is really pretty. So you get a very, very lovely red, matte purple, a shimmer, a goldish shimmer, a coppery, pinky shimmer, a matte coral, and a matte pink. Really pretty. I really like these colors. But yeah, I really like the palette. I like the color scheme. Really cool. I hope she has another collab in the future. Maybe we can get a full deck of cards. If you do that idea, you know, slide me a check, you know. No, let me stop. Last but not least is the Nomad by JUVIA'S Place. Like, come through hat. Yes, God, come through. I really like this iridescent wreath. I don't know what you would call that, but that's neither here nor there. I really like the ombre from this really pretty dark lime yellowy color to a really deep mossy swampy green. I really like that. Ooh, it's on the palette too. Really pretty. All right, I'll give y'all the first look. There she is. Ooh, from what I can see on the camera, it looks pretty. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'm a little worried about this color right here. I think you'll be able to see that it has shimmer in it. In the past, I've used, what's it called? Oh no, I just filmed a video where I used the Masquerade palette by JUVIA'S Place. It has two eyeshadows that are matte with shimmer in it, and the matte eyeshadow aspect of it is perfect. Now the shimmer, not so much, because the shimmer you just blend it away when you blend your eyeshadow. So yeah, so that is it for the haul. I will go off camera and figure out what I think I want to use the Nomad palette and then save the Fumi palette for another video. So yeah, I'm going to go off camera to figure out what kind of eye look I'm going to do. And when I come back, we won't get into it. So, so here's the look that I came out with. Oh, and this is the lipstick on. Yeah, I think I'm probably going to have to put a lip liner around first, then apply the liquid lipstick. Yeah, Yeah, I don't wear lipsticks like this anymore. I used to wear like this, but we don't do this no more. You see it. Look, just look. Just my mind, my skills, my talents. I can't, but I can, obviously. Okay, we're done with that. So, yes, this is the final look. Do we like? Do we like? I like. I know my bun is like super, it's like super tall, but you see it. For the lips, I used NYX's dark brown pencil to line it, and then I use Miss Candice from Juvia's to obviously fill in the rest. Now, my final thoughts on the palette. I like this palette. I really do. I think if you are in the market for a neutral palette, this is a good start. But one thing, the yellow eyeshadow, this one, like I was saying in a previous clip, that it has a matte base with shimmer in it, And I said in like their Masquerade palette, they have 2 eyeshadows that are like that. And they're not my favorite formula because the matte part of it sticks, but the shimmers just go everywhere. So my thoughts on the palette, it's amazing. I mean, JUVIA'S Place has amazing eyeshadows. I will say that I think they definitely improved on their shimmer eyeshadow formula, but I believe in the video I said that the shimmers just weren't hitting. So I think they may have from when they released that palette, they have definitely improved on their shimmers, because I see a major difference. Because this shadow right here in the middle is really pretty. A highlighter. Okay, now with this highlighter, it works well on my nose, on my forehead, my chin. Not so much on my cheekbone and my cupid's bow. You're going to want to put something tacky down. So what I put, or you can spray your face with, sorry, that's my phone. Or you can spray your face with a little bit of maybe some rose water, or just spray your face with, just mist your face with some water, or a setting spray. But for me, I don't like using a setting spray for stuff like that. If I'm using a setting spray, that's like my last step. It's a setting spray to set my makeup, and I'm not gonna, you know, touch it again. So what I used the Makeup Revolution London Ultra Strobe Stick in the color Peach Lightning. It's just a cream highlighter. So I just used it with my finger, and I dabbed it on and kind of like patted it out first, and then I reapplied this because this powder is so finely milled. I mean, it's gorgeous, but it's so finely milled that it didn't stick to my skin. So, and my only other thing about the highlighter, other than it being so gorgeous and that you have to apply a sticky base, or not sticky, but like, you know, a little tacky. This is my concern. Like, if you were to travel with this, good luck, Charlie, because there's no cover for it. So there's just highlighter everywhere, and also in the cap. Hopefully in the future, if JUVIA'S Place continues with powder or loose highlighters, they will have a cap for it, because that's kind of annoying, because you kind of lose product if every time you open up, you know, powder comes out. But other than that, I really like this highlighter. And again, it's in the color Nefertiti. Yeah. But is that it? Is that it? Lashes, information will be on the screen. And oh, let me zoom in for the eyes. She did that. So I used, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, she used 6 eyeshadows out of a 9 pan palette. I really like this combination. I was a little iffy about the green, but it's sitting right. But yeah, I really like how this turned out. Let me zoom you out, and you know the vibes, sis. I keep telling you this, like, in every video. You better be drinking your water. Unlike me, I'm drinking my favorite soda, but yeah, you better be. Oh, but see, I have a bottle of water right here, girl. Do you need some? Do you need some? You better be drinking 8 of these a day. Yes, 8, or at least a gallon of water a day. And with that gallon of water, you need to be taking your vitamins.